Good morning, people. Welcome back. Thank you for tuning in. Another day, another pupil preparing for their driving test. So today Amber is doing a reverse bay park, I believe, with one of her pupils. This pupil has a driving test booked in the next 4 weeks. So I believe it's going to be a reverse left. So she's made sure that she's perpendicular with the bays on the left. She's going to come to a stop. She's going to do an all-round observation. So first of all, she's establishing a reference. Now that she's got a reference sorted, or she's sorting a reference, she's now going to do an all-round observation, looking all over here until she's looked over her shoulder up to here. She'll be doing that now. So we can see her doing her observations. If you concentrate in the dormitory, you'll see now she's doing a full lock to the right. Her objective is to become parallel with the bay line that will be on her left. She's going into that bay and she's looking for the line on the left. So you'll see her going into the bay. So she will be going into, I believe, this bay that I'm standing behind now. So she's doing a full lock. Now she's doing a full lock to the left. Look at the front wheels. Now as she's doing a full lock, she's looking for the line to appear in the left door mirror. It should appear any second now. Remember, the lines only appear when you are in the line of sight. So she'll see the line now, and then she'll pause for a second, like she's done now, and she'll straighten her front wheels. As she straightens the front wheels, she'll then reverse into the bay. There we are. It doesn't matter if she's close to one side, as long as the lines are on the outside of her car. So she's looking, she's seen that car, she's carrying on. You can see the brake lights coming on. That means she's assessing where that vehicle's going and whether they're going to come into contact. You can see that slight adjustment she's making. She's trying to perfect, and she's trying to center the car. You can see the front wheels moving to the left. She's now straightening the car. While she's doing that, she's making effective observations, looking around. Now this young lady has a driving test booked in 4 weeks' time, and I believe Amber's cracked it with her. That's actually a beautiful bay park. You'll see she's in from the front. She's in from that side. She's in from this side, and she's in from the back of the car. That is a beautiful bay park.